everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to update Disney Plus app on Android TV. So in order to update Disney Plus app on Android TV, you need to follow these steps. So all you need to do is first of all open your TV or the device, and to update the Disney Plus app on your Android TV, all you need to do is locate Google Play Store. And when you locate Google Play Store, you just need to click on the Manage Apps and Games and go to this section. So when you go to the Manage Apps and Games section, there you could find the Update section. From there, you could update the Disney Plus app individually or update all the apps within available updates. And that is how you'll be able to update Disney Plus app on your Android TV. So follow the on-screen prompt and that's all. And if in some case, if you do not find these options, then you could always use your remote and type in with the help of your remote, and that is how you could update your app as well. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.